Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how my dad makes grilled corn. So this is super insanely simple, but it ends up tasting super insanely good. So it's very easy. First you take you take a nice one of those, and you put butter on each of your corns, on all of the sides. And you take some salt, and once again, sprinkle it on each side. And also with the paprika, sprinkle a little bit on each side. And then, so the grill is hot right now, but he places them not on the bottom rack where it makes direct contact with the fire, but on the top rack. And he leaves it in there to get smoky, and he just turns them around once he starts to see they get a little bit brown. So you can keep an eye on this, but this is the method my dad follows. He likes to move them around every little bit. I don't really know what the purpose of that was, but maybe he's trying to get super as even as possible for all of them. And then you're going to turn off the heat. I hope you're turning off the heat. And you're going to place all of your corn on the cob in a pan to do a final coat of the butter and the salt. And yeah, make sure all of it covers it. You guys know the drill. To do that a couple times, like layering, like butter, salt, super yummy. Look at that. And that's it. My dad ate all of them and we didn't get to eat any, and that's why they're just so good. So we hope you enjoyed this dish, and it's super easy to make for you too. Happy corn on the cobbing. Bye!